Baby, is there a chicken?
Wait. Wala naman chicken eh.
Hala.
You can put the vinegar. Put the vinegar.
Wait. Put wait.
Angela mo.
Suka, vinegar.
Directly.
Then,
Baby.
Salt pati.
Upside down?
yes.
Do we have a towel? Give me her spit towel,
Sabonde.
just in case.
1, 2, 3.
Upside down. And then swallow or chew?
Or chew.
Swallow.
It's soup, so swallow.
Soup only. Mamaya na yung lahat.
Alright, I need count.
First is soup.
1.
So drink and then chew?
Yeah.
Okay. Count.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh.
Then,
It's yummy. Hold on.
what?
Not yet.
What the taste?
Not yet. I didn't even do anything to it.
It's the soup.
They have a soup. Then you can
I'm gonna throw up. I can.
go Andrew, not smell.
I just.
Yeah. Just go Andrew.
Okay. Me and you, buddy.
Puy, andipak.
Okay.
Ato day. Wala, maliit lang yan.
Ready?
It's
Ready.
It's a little.
Mamaya ha. And the third is
Oh, there's more.
yeah.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
It's not like big cheap, no.
You said you never eat balut. You're a liar.
Si Hasmin ma'am sunod. The next is Hasmin.
Ala ka na dago.
Ayaw katik-katik niya para makamon siya.
Yuck.
You know how to eat balot. You look Sir.
Good now.
You said just because of Sir Roy. Eat.
It's got little feathers.
You eat all. It's okay. You look Sir Roy.
No milk.
It's got
Not.
face.
You look. You eat whole. Go Andrew.
Just
Go,
bite
Andrew.
and.
Yes.
What? Okay. What is this? What is this?
The egg. Yellow egg. Yellow mo na siya, the egg. Alam mo yung egg yolk. Go Andrew. 1, 2, 3, go. Picture.
Oh, yummy, right?
Yummy. What did you say? What the taste?
Not yet.
Napay sungog. Pakitaon na to nagsungog eh. Nasungog gani. Pero dili siya mukaon na ako.
Vinegar.
Pakitaon ba? You want to...
Asin. Wala ka asin.
Vinegar. Oh, na. Then, you can drink.
Uy, basibog.
I can taste its love. It was supposed to be a chick, and I ate it.
Good?
What's the good? John. Yeah.
Whew, that wasn't too bad. It's just you can feel the.
Ano gipislit? Ano naman tawag na nakagipan?
Yes!
Just like I promised.
Oh, di ba?
Okay, continue.
Thank you.
All right.
Ano si mo
Never again.
Never again.